Bieber fans.
All goods in the hoods. Hey.
Yo, what's up, my brother? Okay.
Hey, where you from, ma'am?
Indonesia.
Jalan-jalan. Terima kasih.
Bagus banget,
Bagus banget. What?
Selamat is terima kasih, right?
Ya, Om Pauto. Ma'am, flowers for you.
Oh, thank you.
You can put it in your ear and you can smell it. It smells good.
It smells so.
Smells
it
good?
smells so good.
Yeah.
Pakitaan natin ng sample ng photography yan.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. You hear? Yes, that view. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Here, nice view.
Siyempre, pag guide mo si Justin B, all in na yan. Photographer, guide, and bodyguard. No problem.
One more. 1, 2. Okay. Ayun, Kamyas Gaming tayo. Pipitas muna tayo dito. Ayun. Kaya na tayo. Kamyas Gaming.
Do it.
Try.
It's blimbing in Indonesia. Oh, this is blimbing in Indonesia.
What is this?
Blimbing?
Bilimbing?
But this is it's not ready to eat yet actually. Yeah.
That one? No, it's ready.
Oh.
That's why you can put salt.
It's blimbing in Indonesia. It's like blimbing, but blimbing is bigger.
Ah, more bigger. But that one is not good.
Tastes like blimbing.
Blimbing in Indonesia.
Kita mo yung photography na yan, para kang nagpunta ng Europe, par, di ba? Pandiinan na agad yan. 11 out of 10.
1, 2, 3. Look at here. 1, 2, 3.
Pagtapos mo ng Europe, punta ka ng Spain, kasama mo si Justin B. No problem. May photographer ka na, may guide ka pa, may driver na, may bodyguard pa. All goods in the hood.
One more. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, my beautiful driver. Let's go, Lamborghini.
Go Lamborghini.
Yeah. No, it's going back. Yeah, straight ahead. Yeah, you press up the cylinder like this. You up.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, slowly but surely, huh?
Only but sure.
Yeah. Pwede bang tayo na lang dalawa?
It is like motorcycle.
Yes, it's most easy, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice driver, huh? No problem. I will hire you.
Yeah, 350, sir. 350.
Okay, slowly but surely. All goods in the hoods.
All good in the hood, Justin Bieber.
Yeah, very nice driver.
Shout out to you, Justin Bieber fan.
Yeah. Oh, there's a break, left and right.
Alright. Are we going to the left or
No, straight ahead. Ma'am, I hope you enjoy our tour.
Thank you so much, Justin Bieber.
Good photography?
Really good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Fantastic.